Alright, in order to replace this headlight bulb, you're only going to need one thing, a Phillips screwdriver. There's going to be 2 screws on the top, right here. That's to remove this cover. There's another one down here to remove this cover. Once we get these, then we'll be able to pop out the headlight assembly and replace the bulb. After we remove these 2 screws, we can just pop this cover up. There's going to be a pressure clip right here on the front towards the headlight. Just pop it up, bring it to the side. Now over to the bottom of the headlight, we'll screw right here. See if I can do this with one hand. Same thing. It's going to pop this off. It's going to have some pressure clips on the end over here. So gently work your way around it. Just little clips. Now there's a 10mm bolt right there, 10mm bolt right there, and a 10mm bolt on top. Just like there's 3 screws, 2 up here and 1 down here. Now we got 2 bolts down here, another 1 up here. Now you just pull it out. It's your headlight assembly. Alright, so now in the back of the headlight assembly, to the left we got the main headlight. Got a little sticker here. You just twist it counterclockwise to unlock. And then inside here, see if we can get that. Let's see if I can turn on the flash. You got clips. You just kind of. Okay, there's a tab on the top. You push it down and you pull it out. That's your harness to your headlight. Just pull out the headlight bulb itself. And that's it. The new bulb is a H755. Careful not to touch the bulb itself. Gather from the base or the top here of the bulb. Don't touch the glass. Then we're going to go ahead and prop it up here the same way. Lock it in until it clips, and then just simply push it back in with the clip facing upwards until it locks. You hear a little click. Okay. Here's the clip locked in. Gonna put your cap back in. Turn it clockwise to lock until you hear the clip. That's it.